It's official. The Supreme Court has now overturned Roe v. Wade, a constitutional right we've had to abortion in this country for over 50 years. I'm Alex DeLuca, Director of State and Gubernatorial Communications here at American Bridge, and we're breaking down what this means in battleground states. At least 8 states had trigger laws on the books that banned abortion the day the Supreme Court ruling came down. And without Roe, even more states could follow within the month. While all these states make exceptions for life of the mother, most do not include exceptions for rape and incest. Without Roe v. Wade, Georgia's 6-week abortion ban, which bans abortion before most people even know that they're pregnant, could go into effect. The Georgia ban has been called one of the most restrictive in the country, and it was signed into law by Brian Kemp in 2019. It's currently being challenged in federal court. But now, Georgia's Republican legislature would have no barriers to passing even more restrictive legislation, including a total ban on abortions in the state. In Pennsylvania, Wisconsin, and Michigan, Democratic governors have blocked anti-abortion legislation proposed or passed by Republican-led legislatures for years. But the future of abortion access in those states will depend on the upcoming midterm elections. In Pennsylvania, Doug Mastriano, the Republican gubernatorial nominee, called a 6-week abortion ban his #1 issue. In Wisconsin, every single Republican candidate for governor supports upholding an 1849 law that would ban abortions and incarcerate people who provide them. Frontrunner Rebecca Clayfish spent her time as Scott Walker's lieutenant governor working to pass an extreme abortion ban, which has made performing abortion a felony, punishable by up to 3.5 years in prison in Wisconsin. And in Michigan, Republican gubernatorial candidate Garrett Soldano recently said that he didn't believe in exceptions to abortion bans because God put rape victims in this moment, and it's heroic to be forced into childbirth. If anti-abortion Republicans win these gubernatorial elections, Republican lawmakers will have a clear path to enforcing those wildly restrictive abortion bans. Speaking of, in Virginia, just hours after the Supreme Court's decision, Republican Governor Glenn Youngkin said that he would sign a bill to restrict abortion. Kansas is a state where abortion is literally on the ballot. Kansas will hold a statewide referendum on August 2nd on a constitutional amendment that would eliminate abortion protections established by the state Supreme Court. Thankfully, many states already guarantee the legal right to an abortion, including swing states like Nevada and Colorado. But it's clear that Republicans will stop at nothing to end abortion completely, nationwide. You can learn more at rapeprofiles.com, where we at American Bridge have painstakingly tracked these politicians' extreme stances on abortion rights, so that this November, we can hold them accountable.
At American Bridge, we're holding Republicans accountable. Subscribe and join the fight.